crack-a-lacking. You know what I'm saying? We back in Cali. The storm is over. And yeah, man. Back on M3. And today what I'm gonna do is, hopefully we'll be able to remove the head. So last time we did, I took the headers off, so now that space is clear. And now I'm gonna work on the cooling system, because this is gonna be a couple bolts. So next I'm gonna start doing the cooling system, and then a couple bolts. So I gotta remove the fan, and I'm gonna take all this stuff back out. And I might take the radiator out too to give me some more space, because later I'm thinking about replacing the front timing cover while I'm in here, because I don't want nothing leaking, and I don't want to do this again. So let's get it cracking. Cooling system. All right, now first you want to disconnect this hose right here, the bottom hose, and then you're gonna disconnect the fan, take that off, everything comes out. So my bad, first you want to take the fan off. But first you want to take this off, then the fan, then the hoses, then everything else comes off. I'm gonna show y'all. Don't trip, don't trip. So this is what I did. You put on the bottom screw like that, right? You get it like to the perfect area, like right there. That's where you know the bolt's gonna come down and block it. You feel me? See how it's blocking the bolt right there? Then you turn it the opposite way like you should, and it'll be locked right there, and then the fan will come on. So that way you ain't gotta fight. So you just spin it off, and the fan comes off. And voila! Then we take the rest of this off. So yeah, let me do all that. Alright, so now, like I said, I had the headers off. Now I got this off. So you see now how the motor is just freeing itself? So I got everything on this side off. I got everything on this side off. Now I gotta do the intake manifold side. So now I'm about to put all this stuff in the car. And then, yeah. Start taking off the manifold. And then we'll have everything off. And then we'll take that valve cover off. Then we'll put it to top dead center. Then we'll start taking off the vanos and marking and timing things. It's getting real. Let's get it. So in the manifold, you just remove all of the screws. As such, all those manifold screws, right? Then you should be able to pull the manifold up after. Manifolds off. Alright, cool. So now, got the manifold off, as you can see, as we took it off before. I got all the wires labeled, so I know where everything goes when I put it back. Damn. Alright, cool. Now it's time for the valve cover to come on. Such. Now that I have all the bolts removed. And now we are inside the motor. Alright, so I got the timing blocks installed. Flywheel locking pin installed on the bottom. We're at top dead center. You can't see, but you got the mark right there, the OT, and the line right there. That's lined up. Then you know it's top dead center because both cams is facing each other. So we're at top dead. We got the timing blocks on. I got those two off. I put an Allen key right there, lowered that down, and now you loosen these four up. I loosen those four up, and then now I'm gonna take the Vanos off. All right, y'all, we getting there. Got all that off. Now I'm gonna remove the tensioner. Now, mind you, these are S52 cams. So you gotta be very, very careful with these. These are S52s. S52 cams are out and removed. Oh yeah. So that's out. Now time for the other stuff. So I'll be back. Let me go put this. Got the cam tray out with the lifters. Bam. Well, there ain't nobody. Now for the other side, same thing. I'm taking them off without the lifters and then putting the lifters back in. So now I gotta put the cylinder head up, put all my tools up right before it gets dark. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later and come back. But in the meantime, peace.